The first thing I want to show you is EurAud. This goes back into last week. We go Wednesday, Thursday, and then into Friday. I just want to show you the divergent bottom that I liked to see it use as support for a move higher. And when we found a really solid break and retest, especially through the 50 EMA, but also through the key price level at the Asia high, you can see the break, retest, and then even a second retest. That breakout here, I really loved even that to see it come higher. And just notice the divergence is set with the RSI rising and price action falling, right? That is where your difference is. This is moving lower and this is moving higher. And with that divergent, that difference, that's where we look for some potential reversals. Now, the bottom set in, it's confirmed here with that test right outside the Asian session. These vertical lines here, if you don't know, horizontal lines, that's my Asian session high and Asian session low. And you can see, without me circling it with this annoying purple marker, you can just see because of that line, the retest to that bottom, to that support zone. So with that retest, with the break, the second retest off that break, you're starting to see strong confirmations for a move higher. Now, this can translate into long ideas on the 25th here, last week, or it can translate into long ideas the next day on the 26th as that trend continues. What I do think it can be more powerful even for is then coming into the next week, using the divergence it's now created on top to then take it short. And why I say more powerful is because if you're able to use divergence kind of like a wave, kind of like a guide almost to your wave, then you can go long and short currency pairs even in the same week. So you could have been long here on EurAud last week, Wednesday into Thursday into Friday, and then come Monday into Tuesday of this week, here's Monday and here's Tuesday, you could be using that divergent top to signal to you when it breaks, just like it did on the bottom, when it breaks here, showing us that we're okay, changing bias under the 50 EMA, showing support to the 50, showing support to the 50, showing support to the 50. You're getting an A1 entry right here off the 21 EMA. That's ASFX bread and butter stuff right there, following that D2 idea off the top. So it's interesting to see that translate into an idea to start the month here with a short idea following the long idea on, like I said, Wednesday into Thursday and into Friday. Now, you can take the short idea yesterday that ended up working and even carry that over into today. And you can see once we set the bottom yesterday, it broke that level during the London session with a very strong bar. And where did it move today? Following that same trend. And notice in that move, where did the TDI stay? Under the 50 value. See that horizontal line, that dotted line, that's that 50 value. Staying under that value really does make a difference. Let me turn my screen.